Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to share your job posts to social media from Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter account, which of course I have done right here. So your Ziprecruiter employer account specifically. I'd like you to know what Ziprecruiter is about. Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to share your job posts to social media from Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, and all the way down to activate. So go ahead and click on jobs, and it's going to take you to the jobs window or the jobs page. So over here, I'm not going to find the option that will allow me to share my job because this job has not been posted yet. But if I click on post a job and then you follow through with the on-screen prompts to post the job is going to be posted and you're going to find the job in here. So if that job has been posted, this is what you're going to find. So you're going to be in this page here. If the job has been posted, this is what you're going to see. So scroll all the way down. So click on the page, click on the job that you want to carry out this activity on. So let's say this is the job. If it has been posted, then I'll be able to do a thing or two. So click on the title of the job. And once you click on the title of the job, now this job has not been posted, mind you. So once you click on the title of the job, you're definitely not going to find it. You're going to find something different. And this is what you're going to find. So click on the title of the job and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Get More Candidates screen. So click on this job and it's going to take you to another page where you're going to find Get More Candidates. So scroll down to the bottom of Get More Candidates and you're going to find this that says share on your social networks and says advertise your job throughout your network with just a few clicks. So you're going to see that, and right next to it, which is at the right corner, you're going to find the share button. So click on the share button and you'll be led to the next page, which will give you the option of selecting which social media platform you would like to share on. Now select the platform by clicking on its circle. So these are the options here: LinkedIn, Twitter, that's X now, Facebook, and mail. So click on any of the circles. And once you click on any of the circles, you're going to be asked to enter the details of your account in that social media platform. Now once you do that, just go ahead and click on save, and that's going to be it. You'll be able to, so once you click on the details of your social media accounts using any of the social media platforms, it's going to take the link directly to your account, and from there you can share it as in any way you can. That's it. That's just it basically. So this is pretty much how you can share your job post to social media from Ziprecruiter. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.